Welcome dear students. Let us learn EVS. Lesson number 9 Festivals. India is called the land of festivals as many festivals are celebrated here. Different people celebrate different festivals. Festivals are time for joy and celebrations. Dear students, India is called the land of festivals. Why? Because many festivals are celebrated here. Different festivals are celebrated by different people. Okay, we know that festivals are time for joy and celebrations. Let's see what is national festivals. The festivals that are celebrated by the whole nation are called national festivals. The festivals that are celebrated by the whole nation are called national festivals. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are our national festivals. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti are our national festivals. Independence Day. Our country got its freedom from British rule on 15th August 1947. Our country got its freedom from British rule on 15th August 1947. We celebrate this day every year as Independence Day. We celebrate this day every year as Independence Day. On this day, the Prime Minister hoists our national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. On this day, we remember those people who struggled for our freedom and lost their lives. Dear students, we know many freedom fighters, those who gave up their lives, isn't it? Republic Day. Our country became a republic on 26th January 1950. Our country became a republic on 26th January 1950. We celebrate this day as Republic Day every year. We celebrate this day as Republic Day every year. The President unfurls the national flag and takes the salute of the parade at Rajpath in New Delhi. Dear students, remember, our country got its freedom on 15th August 1947 and became a republic on 26th January 1950. Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. It is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi we celebrate as Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. Mahatma Gandhi is also known as the father of the nation. Who is known as the father of the nation? Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of the nation. Prayers are held all over the country. People visit his samadhi at Rajghat to pay their respects to him. Hope you understood something, dear students. For your homework, go through these paragraphs and read it carefully and try to understand it well. Thank you, dear students.